since there was a 3-month project. I mean, data science projects are not small projects. You need commitment. Only 4 of us were left by the end. Rest all the people dropped off.
What made you to stay back and solve the problem?
I think I find it interesting. I would say I'm a problem solver. So I did some contest on the sites, but that problem fascinated me. Ki why there's an error? What is happening? I mean, even the small little errors, Stack Overflow is we were searching. We did not know that there is a specific format in which a random forest input is taken.
Okay.
So it takes an array of array. You might be giving, looks like an array, but it's not, might not be an ND array that we usually call it. We were giving it a list. It was not taking it. So we did not know that, oh shit, you have to convert into ND array. So all these small little things got stuck and it was frustrating. But then I kept on.